One of the first things you should do when we're building is to determine which wood you want to use. Try and maximize the amount of wood you have. So if you're cutting 2-inch strips out of a board for the legs and you're going to laminate them together like we are in this case, you want to find a board that is 4.5, 4 3/4 maximum, so that by the time you joint it and you rip it down to size, you're minimizing the waste. Okay? Second thing we want to do is let's kind of try and figure out what is our board footage that we're going to be using here. Okay? We want to rough cut at about 25 inches for our legs. We're going to get 2 pieces out of each one, which will make 1 leg. So we're going to need 25, 50, 75, and 100. Okay? We're going to have a little bit left that we're going to be able to use to make some stretchers and some aprons out of. Okay? So I've laid this out on here. Quick rough estimate is 100 inches, and this is by about 4.5 inches so far. We're also going to need 3 full-size aprons. 16, you're going to rough cut at 16, 32, 48. We're going to put 1 more in there. Actually, we'll put 2 more in there. 48, 4, and we're going to go to 80. So 80 times 6 1/4. 6.25. And then last but not least, we have a couple of spindles and a couple of shelves. All of the wood that we have here will cover that. We need just for the top, and our drawer front will be covered, so we just need for the top and a little shelf on this project. Okay, we're set up here. We've got the chop saw. We've marked out our rough cuts on everything already, so we're just going to go ahead and we're going to do all our rough cuts. We'll get all of the material rough cut before we do anything else. Make sure you are holding the material against the fence so you don't get any kind of kickback at yourself.